Hello, so let's learn the 4-in-1 European chainmail pattern. For this we will need some closed rings and some open rings. So it means that you need to put 4 rings on 1 ring. That's the 4-in-1 European. That's 2. That's 4. We close these. And it should look something like this. Then to extend the rings, you take 1 open ring and 2 closed rings. And then you see, and this one goes through the top part, and then it goes in the bottom. So we do the same thing, that this ring would go for the top, means it comes from the bottom, and comes back for the top. And we close that. Basically, this is what you get, but it also tends to, well, it doesn't mess up now, but sometimes it messes up. So the easiest way to fix that is just put it on the table and fidget with it a little bit, so it would be like this. Then we can continue it going forwards. But okay, what if you want to make it wider? So this is what we do. First we'll take 1 open ring and 2 closed rings, put them together, and then you gotta see how this row goes in the middle. The next row will go the same way. So it has to go for the bottom of the 2 rings, like this. We close that. Then we get something like this. Something like this. We take another open ring, and this time we take only 1 closed ring. This is the trickier part. It has to go through 3 rings now. So it goes for the bottom of the lower rings. And then it goes through the top to the bottom of this ring up there. It's easier to put it on the table and just play with it a little bit so it will go back into shape. And let's finish this cube with 2 more rings. It goes to the bottom of the 2 bottom rings and through the top of the 1 top ring. And you can do as much of these as you want, because like they used to make chainmail armor out of this. This takes lots of time. Or you can make a bracelet like this, or anything you wish. So, goodbye.